Hi Victory Families, welcome to Early Childhood Corner. This is a space where we share creative ideas with you to do at home with your Victory family. On to the video. Happy New Year, Victory Families. In this month's Early Childhood video, we're going to be doing ice play and a winter sensory project. Come on, it's going to be so much fun. All you're going to need is an ice tray or a small muffin tin, or just anything small that you can freeze things in. You're gonna collect items around the house. The kids will love getting to go on a hunt to find what they're going to freeze. You could find some trinkets, all these kind of things around the house. Some little animals. We have a tiger and a camel. Or you could find pom-poms. Once your items are in, let's fill it with water. Once your trays are full and ready to go, you're gonna place them in the freezer and leave them there till they're frozen solid. There are lots of different ways we can free the toys from the ice. You can use droppers. You can simply use water. You could also use a little wooden hammer or just anything that will help them free their toys from the ice. There are many different things your kids will take away from doing this. They can learn hot and cold, because these are super cold. They can learn more, less. They can use their fine motor skills. And it's simply a great activity to do at home with your kids indoors. Let's make snow together. All you're gonna need are 3 items: baby lotion, baking soda, and a big bowl. You're gonna pour that in, mix it up. You can put glitter in it. You could put some of the pom-poms inside, just however you wanna do it. And it will make inside snow. Thank you for joining us in our Early Childhood Corner. We pray this created a special moment between you and your Victory kid. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and right here on YouTube. See you next time.